Want to learn English? You need to focus on all the 4 language skills. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills help you understand and communicate in English. In this video, I'll explain each skill in a simple way and share tips to improve them. What is the listening skill? Listening means understanding the spoken English in movies, songs, or conversations. How to improve the listening skills? Listen to English songs, podcasts, and movies with subtitles. Try to repeat what you hear to learn pronunciation. Start with slow, clear English, like children's stories, and move to faster speech. What is the speaking skill? Speaking is using English words to talk with others. How to improve the speaking skill? Practice daily, even simple sentences. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see or do. Find a language partner or use apps to chat in English. What is the reading skills? Reading helps you understand written words, books, and articles in English. How to improve? Read easy English books, blogs, or news. Use a dictionary to learn new words. Read out loud to improve pronunciation and fluency. What is the writing skill? Writing helps you express your thoughts in English. How to improve the writing skill? Write a daily journal in English. You write even short sentences. Text or email in English with friends. Learn basic sentence structures and practice spelling. These 4 skills of English are all connected and help each other improve. Think of them like pieces of a puzzle. If you practice one skill, it also helps you get better at the others. When you listen, you hear correct pronunciation, tone, and sentence structure. This helps you speak more naturally because you learn how native speakers talk. When you read, you learn new words and grammar. This helps you write better because you see how sentences are formed. Both listening and speaking skills help you understand English better. Listening helps with spoken English, while reading helps with written English. Similarly, both speaking and writing skills help you express yourself in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become in writing, and vice versa. If you only focus on one skill, learning English will be harder. But when you practice all 4 together, you learn faster and more effectively. Try a simple daily routine. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Speak 1 new sentence out loud. Read 1 page of a book aloud. Write 1 short paragraph. This way, your English improves in all areas at the same time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Let's grow and learn together.